I have a special guest this morning on the weather, Mrs. Rockin' Robin. Oh, ready for takeoff. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I know what it is. Friday, June the 14th, 2024. I had to go inside and redo this voiceover because it is so windy outside. You cannot hear what I'm saying, which is sometimes maybe a good thing. Anyways, if I get up to, right now it's 18 degrees, and maybe get up to 22, 24. I'm hoping on the 24. There's Mrs. Robin took off, and then we have a special guest, Mrs. Finch, I believe. She has a nest in the swing set there. You can see on the bottom of the screen. Here, you can see how windy it is. She's trying to hold on to the little tab there from the swing set. But anyway, there she is. She might take off here pretty quick. Back to special broadcasting. Live tape. Peace out. Every Friday. But it is a sunny day. Out here on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. But, like I said, it is breezy. Anyways, hope everyone is having a great Friday. The snow is melting on a little weight. Pretty soon, in another week, but you never know, there could be snow on the connector or the Coquihalla because it is anytime. So anyways, take care, stay safe, happy Friday. If you're on the road, drive safely. Father's Day is on Sunday, so I want everyone to be safe and have a great Father's Day. So for now, peace out, and hopefully the weather stays nice. Here's the divide: blue sky, cloudy sky, blue sky, cloudy sky. So there you go. Peace out, everyone. Happy Friday.